Hello children, here I am Mansi, your drawing and craft teacher. So students, you know now who I am. I am a drawing and craft teacher, so obvious I will teach you something drawing या craft. But today I have bring for you something interesting and very nice topic, easy topic. What will be that? Yes, of course, it is a craft. So today we will learn something new in the craft. But before that, I want to ask you one riddle. I hope you will give me an answer. Here tell me. I can fly, but I am not an aeroplane. Who am I? Yeah, what am I? Yes, children, tell me. I can fly, but I am not an aeroplane. What am I? Yes, right, children. I'm a bird. But what type of bird? In our surrounding, many birds are there, like a parrot, sparrow, many birds are there. So, I am in a black color. So, which bird is in the black color? And I can find everywhere. Yes, children, yes, right. Crow. So today I'm going to show you one origami crow bird with a very simple steps. I hope you will enjoy these sessions. But before that, I want to tell you one thing. Because of this lockdown period, I'm not having a prop paper, but you should use a marble paper which you are getting in proper shape and they are colorful also. So here I am going to teach you today a crow bird. Children's, before that again I want to ask you one thing. Do you remember that story, a fox and a crow? Yes, the fox and the crow. Where was the crow sitting? Yes, on the tree, right? So here we can make the background also. So here we'll start this. Before start, what things we need? Here I am going to tell you. So children, you can see there are many things: glue, a marker, one red pen, one sketch pen, black color sketch pen, and here some crayons. And here I am taking this white color paper, but you should take a black color paper because we are going to make a crow. See, the paper shape is a square. You just have to fold the corners in this way, press gently the edges, and after folding you will get a triangle shape. See, triangle has a three sides, children. 1 2 3. So after the triangle shape, a left side you have to just tip off, you have to fold it downwards. See children, it is very simple. Okay, and the opposite words, another corner you have to fold backward. See, this way. Again turn around your paper. See this portion, and you are getting this way the bottom, the triangle angle shape. So that angle also you should fold the backwards. See how it is in the video. Do children's, only 3 steps you have to follow. Main steps. Then it is your bird is ready. You just make a eye on the upper tip, then make a beak with the red color. See how it's flying. And make little feathers with your sketch pen, but already it is in the black color, so no need, but it is looking little attractive because I have taken the white paper, that's why. If you are doing with the black color, so you can do with the white color. The feathers and the beak you can do with the yellow, And of course the eye you should do with a white color. Here how to stick. Where the crow has sitting, yes, of course, on the tree. So here I'm going to make a tree with a little one branch. See here where he was sitting, and the story, yes, that crow was sitting on the bird. See, in a simple way you just make the tree branch and half tree, some curve lines, and some middle of, you just give the lines with the sketch pen first and then do the color. See, after that what is the remaining, some little points our drawing has ready. Our bird is there, he ready to sit on the branch, but before that we have to stick this, the folding parts, stick it properly. Then beak also you should stick. Then behind of that bird you have to apply the glue and stick it where you want exactly. Okay, now what is the remaining, children? Tell me. Yes, what is the remaining? The crow's leg. So here we can make with a sketch pen the crow's leg. You can see that it is simple way, 3 lines. And now how's the crow voice? After that our drawing is ready. Now we can do the colors. How it is looking pretty, like it is looking it's really, it's sitting on the tree. For the tree branch here I am taking a dark brown, only brown, and a chrome yellow, sorry, ochre yellow. So children's, here you give to start the coloring with a very light hand. First give the dark brown. Actually these are wax crayon, that's why we can't shade it properly, but if you're doing this way how it is showing in the video, so you can do. After that on there you can do the ochre yellow over it where you did the dark brown, and then only brown where you want to show the little dark part, there you can show, there you can give. See, where you want, you feel you can give little darker. If you're having that oil pastels, it is very good, so you can mix and merge the color also. Yeah, you can give the plain brown also, it's okay, it's up to you, children's. See, now for that green portion, here I have taken yellow. First give the yellow, a top of tip little bit of the tree. After that light yellow, then light green, give the remaining part light green, and over on the yellow also. See children, it is looking very nice. I hope you all will be try and you will enjoy this, because here is no cutting anything. Please children use a marble paper which we are getting in square shape. So no need to cut in the square shape. Already it is getting in the square shape. So use that marble paper and just fold it how I have shown in the video. Your bird is ready. See, after that the dark green color over it somewhere, you just do like this. See, but something is missing. Yes children? Yes, background. So here we'll give the little background with some blue lines. Just do like we are doing a shading. Just scrape your light blue crayon on the back with the background. This way how it is showing your diagram, your background. Within a minute the background also it will ready. See children, after the background it is looking more attractive and nice. I hope you like this session and you will try at home. Here at the corner I am making one sun. This wax, it is actually very light. You can give fully blue also if you want. Yeah, somewhere you can leave like this space, so it will look like more natural, real. See, it's looking nice children. So thank you.